Breathing, the
Breathing.
actual inhalation and exhalation, very gently inhale, exhaling. And also they can just, the basic yogic breathing from Hatha Yoga or pranayama is you actually can close one nostril, one nostril, and breathe out the same nostril. Breathe in one nostril and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And you do that about 5 times. Then you do it from the opposite nostril, breathe in, breathe out. And then what you can do is you can alternate. You breathe in through one nostril, you close the nostril, and you breathe out to the opposite nostril. Breathe in through one nostril, and you switch. And we know that breathing, relaxation and breathing is interconnected. When you are breathing, you're relaxing your nervous system. You actually are working on the sympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system, and you're balancing, you're rendering your state more in homeostasis. So, homeostasis is the state of balance, trying to regulate your system, not to be in this fight or flight mode, which is the stress. So